Ashna. Today I am going to review a video editor for vloggers. Let's go to check what are the features of this video editor. Before that, if you are planning to be a YouTube blogger, you must be watch this video. Let's go to check. This video editor mainly developed by Wondershare from Filmora, and here is the user interface of Vlogit video editor. Before that, if you not subscribe my channel, make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon. You will get notification when I upload video. Here is the app UA. We can create a account in Wondershare for login this app. I am already created. This is the user interface of my Vlogit application. I'm creating some videos. Is the videos. I'm going to create a new video. First we want to create a intro and outro for the YouTube videos for vlogging YouTubers. We can choose it from camera, or we can directly choose it from our video library. I'm going to choose a title. Here we can default get this 5 opener or intro for YouTube videos. We can create this intro. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to create. Here is the creation window. Select the text, tap the text, press that. I'm going to add ashnet. Here is the ashnet. Ashnet. As you can see, we can adjust with the, we can select the intro different type. As you can see, different type. We can choose the color of the text, and we can choose the font size, font type of the text, and we can change the text intro. As you can see, here is the method. I am going to tap it, and let's go to, here is the intro. As you can see, here we can add music, etc. Music selection, if you take the music from an YouTube created studio, that's the good for, it's a copyright free music. Here we have a export button for the exporting video, and we can save into our gallery. Press the camera roll, save to, it's save into our gallery. As you can see, there is the video. This method is also using for the outro creation. I'm already created a outro. As you can see, please subscribe my channel. It's the free, it's my outro. Here is the another one. It's this countdown for live video I have created. Here is the another. This is another intro for I have created with this Vlogit video editor. Let's go to check what are the other features of this vlogging video editor. I'm going to select a video. I have screen recorded. Press this one, and here is the multi-video player for Android users. We can also set the different text, stickers, audio, picture in picture mode, means we can add 2 videos in one video. As we can set it here. There is the feature, and we can set the transmission, and we can cut the video. Filters, we can add the video filters, audios, etc. Here is the select. We can cut this video. We can add the audio with this application. We can export this and directly uploading to YouTube, or we can add some features. So, to discard it, first we select this. Going to select this, and select a video and select a outro. Here is the method. I'm going to select, is going to process. Here is the intro I have created.
Welcome to
Here is the I have recorded the video.
What is this? And here we have plus button. As you can see, this is the user interface of this app.
We can directly export it to the our gallery, or we can directly export it to the YouTube or Facebook, any other social media with this application. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, comment your queries and questions. I will give reply. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with another video.